What's up, guys? Artil Boy here. Today we're doing another video. Today we're taking a look at the Swiss Army, the Victorinox Ranger. It's a little awkward doing. Okay, there's oh, it's gonna be a little tricky to get this guy. There we go. So let's begin. So I got this guy at a again at a swap meet alongside with a particular knife that I did make a video about, which is the Buck 110 1992 version, which is something that I could definitely know. I spotted this and I knew for a fact I want to get this because why not? It's a Victorinox piece. You know, pretty good about it. So most of the pieces, even its compartments, is made of stainless steel, while having two big old pieces of plastic at both sides. This one is five layers to actually hold a lot of these pieces here. So what we have is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 tall pieces in total. You also have a little key ring to hold other things. You've got the plastic pick, and of course, small tweezers. So let's get all to the pieces, shall we? First of all let's get to the small bottom parts here. So we got here is the sewing anvil here. You got is the hook. You got is the small flathead screw, or something to dig your fingernails. This one for another small flathead, and of course a corkscrew. So that got a deal. Okay, we got to the top piece. We have is the bottle opener with the little wire stripper right here, alongside with the can opener. We got is a pair of scissors. We got a saw. We got a file. Yes, this is a really weird deal, and I actually thought this is some weird little tiny saw thing, but that's actually just a file, which is pretty interesting. We got a small blade, and of course we got a big one. And the big one has this Officer Susie with the plus sign and an umbrella. So you could definitely know we're all in here for a treat here. So the size on the Ranger is around about of 3.5 inches while it's closed. The tweezers is around about of 1 3/4, while the plastic pick is around about of 2 inches. Let's see it. So let's get to the bottom here. So for the corkscrew, it's around about of 1.5 inch. Meanwhile, for the flat head is around about of 1.5 inch. While the smaller flathead with the fingernail cleaner is around about of 1.5 inch. Yeah, 1.5 inch. But the overall size is around about of 2/4. Yeah, I actually forgot about these. The small file is around about of 2. The overall size for that one is a 2 2/4. The corkscrew is around about of overall size. It's about 2.5 inch. But for the finger cleaner version, or a finger cleaner or small flathead, is around about 2.5 inch. The hook is around about of 1.5 inch. For the overall size is 2.5 inch. For the sewing awl is around about of 1.5 inch. For the overall size is around about of 2/4. Then I'll get to the top piece. Now the can opener is around about of 1/4. For the overall size is around about of 4 3/4. For the bottle opener is around about of 1 inches. I know it's like 1/4. For the overall size is 4 3/4. While the scissors is around about of 2 3/4. Well, for the overall size is around about of 6/4. Meanwhile, for the saw is around about of nearly to 3 inches. For the overall size, it's around about of 6.5. 6/4. Meanwhile, for the file is around about of 2 3/4, near to 3 inches. For the overall size is around about of 6/4. Meanwhile, for the small blade, it's around about of 1.5 inch. For the overall size is around about of 5 inches. And finally, we get to the long blade, where this one is around about of nearly to 2/4. For the overall size is around about of 6 inches. Also, forgot about the blade itself is, victorinox Switzerland stainless Rossfurry. The one I have is the Ranger with the camping onto it. So I think I can't find anywhere I can find this. I think it's probably discontinued or probably rare to get by. So probably good luck finding these when they've going to reveal their bladeless version. So don't worry about it. I'll probably will review that too. So let's test this bad boy out. So the results out there for the longer blade, it actually did pretty well. I mean, there's a deep cut here, here's a deep cut here, and that's about it. Meanwhile, for the shorter blade, it's you could definitely know there's a couple good cuts here. Here's one here. That's pretty sharp. Here's one here. And here's one here and here. Just like a confetti. That's really good. So I'm giving the Victorinox Ranger an astounding of a 9 out of 10. Now, I am giving 1 point away from this is, well, for one thing, It's definitely expensive if you actually go finding it on their own website, but you could find it at a pretty good, decent price. I mean, for that type of deal. So I would recommend having this alongside with your other Victorinox collection. So that wraps up of Ranger, the Victorinox Ranger. I'm on Boy, and I'm signing out. I'll see you guys next time.